Happy New Year 2021, back at it with our first video. This time installing a radio on a Ford Mustang with a Maestro dash kit. Here you go, the Mustang, and here's the parts right on top of the hood. Look at these nice shots. Bam. Cameraman is at it. Alright, job in progress, old dash, new dash. The old dash had a lot of buttons, the new dash had no buttons. Plug and play harness with the Maestro. Retained all factory functions, including steering wheel control. Everything works, change different modes. Everything works from the steering wheel control. This radio also will retain the AC climate control. Everything will be controlled from the screen. Increase the temperature, drop the temperature. The fan speed, all that controlled from the radio. That's what the Maestro dash kit allows us to do all that. Shows the gauges, RPM, the tire pressure, the doors are open or closed. All that will show on the screen. So that's how cool the Maestro dash kits are for the Ford Mustang. Alright man, finished project. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck with your next project. We recommend Maestro kit for 2012 Mustangs. Thank you. Have a good day. And outro.
We look forward to doing more.
Rock on, man. I appreciate it.
Hell yeah, man. Thank you so much.
California rocks.